So good morning everyone. In last class we have learned some formulas. So on that formulas we are going to start our exercise now. So first bit, a shopkeeper bought a suitcase for 480 rupees and sold it for 540. So find his gain percentage. So what we have to find? We have to find the gain percentage. How to find the gain percentage here? So he bought a suitcases. He bought means that will be a cost price. Okay, so what they have given the cost price as? Cost price of suitcase is how much? 480 rupees. That means I bought for 480 rupees and I sold for how much? That is a 540 rupees. Sold is nothing but selling price. Selling price of suitcase is how much here? That is 540 rupees. Okay, so now what we have to find? We have to find the gain percentage. Before finding the gain percentage, what we have to find? How much he has gained we have to find. So here cost selling price is more than cost price. Selling price is greater than cost price. That means what we will do? We will find the gain value. So how to find the gain value? That is SP minus CP. Already I gave you all the formulas. Once you check in that. So gain is equals to SP minus CP. So gain value is how much now? SP is 540 rupees and CP value is 480 rupees. Okay. So now 540 and 480 will be how much? That will be equals to 60 rupees. Now what we have to find? We have to find the gain percentage. So what is the gain percentage formula? Gain by CP into 100. So these all formulas are very useful. Okay, here we are applying two formulas. That is gain is equals to SP minus CP. Gain percentage is equals to gain by CP into 100. So gain percentage is equals to, what is the gain value? That is 60 rupees by what is the cost price value? That is 480 rupees into 100. Okay, now you can do cancellation. 0, 0 will get cancelled. Here 6 ones are 6 8s are, we can do 6 ones are 6, 6 8s are 48. Now I am cancelling in 2 table. So or you can cancel in 8 table also. 8 ones are, not 8 table, we will take it 2 table. 2 4s are 8, 2 50s are 100. Again 2 table, 2 2s are 2 25s are. So how much you got here? Gain percentage is equals to 25 by 2. So 25 by 2, if you divide, how much it will be? 2 ones are 2. So what is the gain percent here? That is 12.5%. So how much? What is the gain percentage? 12.5%. That means I bought for 480 rupees. I sold for 540 rupees. So difference of that 2 is how much? That is 60 rupees. That means I got a gain because SP value is greater than CP value. So what is the gain percentage? That will be 12.5%. So this is our first solution. Next one. So what is second one? Ajay bought a TV for rupees 15,000 and sold it for 14,100. Find the loss percentage. In before problem we have found gain percentage. Here we are finding loss percentage. So he bought a TV. He bought a TV is nothing but cost price. So cost price of TV is how much? 15,000. He bought a TV for 15,000. He sold. Sold is nothing but selling price. 14,100 rupees. So he sold for 14,100 rupees. So in this case, selling price is less than cost price. That is, CP is greater than SP. If CP is greater than SP, that will be what? Loss. How to find the loss value? That is CP minus SP. So loss is equals to, CP is how much here? 15,000 rupees minus SP is how much? 14,100 rupees. So what is the loss value? That is 900 rupees. So after selling a TV, he got 900 rupees loss. So now what we have to find? We have to find the loss percentage. So how to find the loss percentage? Loss by CP into 100. Again we have used two formulas here. Okay, so loss percentage is equals to, loss is how much? 900 by CP is how much? That is 15,000 into 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. 0, 0 will get cancelled. Here 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. Okay. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. So what is remaining here? 3 2s are is 6%. So what is the loss percentage here? 6%. He bought for 15,000. He sold for 14,100. That means in this case, CP value is greater than SP value. That means we will get loss value. How to apply the loss? Loss is nothing but CP minus SP. So what is the loss value? You got it as 900. And what we have to find? We have to find the loss percentage. For this, what is the formula? Loss by CP into 100. So if you cancel, you will get the loss percentage as 6%. So this is our second solution. Next is very important problems. Next, Ramu sold a plot of land for 2,40,000, gaining 20%. He sold, that means he gave the SP value, and gaining percentage also they have given. So for how much did he purchase the plot? We have to find the CP value. Already I gave you the formulas on profit how to find, on loss how to find. So that formulas we will apply here. He sold a plot. Sold is nothing but selling price. So selling price of plot is how much here? Is 2,40,000. And how much gain he got? Gain percentage is how much? 20%. Now what we have to find? For how much he has purchased, we have to find. That means cost price we have to find. I am taking it as CP only. Okay, so I gave you some formulas on profit and loss. So in profit, how to find the CP value? What is the formula for finding the CP value on profit? So what is the formula there? CP is equals to 100 into SP by 100 plus gain percentage. In formula I gave it as profit percentage. Profit or gain both are same. Here they have given in terms of gain, so I wrote in the form of gain terms. Okay, so what is the formula? CP is equals to 100 into SP by 100 plus gain percentage. We have to find the CP, we know the selling price, and also we know the gain percentage. By using this formula, we can solve this problem. Okay, so CP is equals to 100 into, what is the SP value? That is 2,40,000 by 100 plus, what is the gain percentage? 20. Okay, now CP is equals to, if you multiply these two, how much it will be? Directly more two zeros will be added here. That is 2, 4, 00000 by 100 plus 20 will be 120. Okay, so 0 will get cancelled. Now 12 ones are 12 twos are 24, 12 zeros are 0, 12 zeros are 0, 12 zeros are 0, 12 zeros are 0, 12 zeros are 0. So what is the CP value? That is 2 lakhs rupees. So he bought for 2 lakhs, he sold for 2,40,000. That is gain only, no? What is the gain percentage there? That is 20%. So what is the formula we have used? CP is equals to 100 into SP by 100 plus gain percentage. So this is the formula. In before formulas I gave it as profit percentage because I wrote in that formula as profit. Here they have given in terms of gain, so I wrote in terms of gain here. Okay, so this is our third solution. Next is fifth one. So what is the fifth one? A farmer sold 2 bullocks for 24,000 each. He sold 2 bullocks each for 24,000. So on one bullock he gained 25% and on other bullock he has lost 20%. So find the total profit or loss percentage. So we have to find what is the loss percentage or what is the profit percentage. He sold. Sold is nothing but that is selling price. Again they have given the terms of selling price. So what they have given first? Selling price of 2 bullocks is how much? 24,000 rupees each. Okay, so on first bullock he got the gain of 25% and on second bullock he got loss of 20%. So what we have to find? We have to find the cost price of each bullocks and also in total he got loss or gain we have to find. So first what we have to find here? Cost price of 2 bullocks we have to find. That I am taking it as CP only. Okay, so this is selling price and they have given it as gain. Only on first bullock I am finding now. Okay, on first bullock he got the gain of 25%. So here SP they have given as 24,000 and he got the gain as 25%. So what is the formula for finding the CP in terms of gain? So what is the formula for finding the CP in terms of gain? That is CP is equals to 100 into SP by 100 plus gain percentage. Already we have used in before formula. So CP is equals to 100 into SP is how much? 24,000 by 100 plus what is the gain percentage? That is 25 rupees, 25%. So CP is equals to multiply these two more zeros will be added here. That will be 24 lakhs by 100 plus 25 will be 125. Now you can cancel in 5 table. Directly I am dividing here. I don't have space. Divide by 250, that means one time we have to take 25 ones are 125. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 4 will be remaining, 5 8s are 40, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0. Again in 5 table, 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45, 45 means 3 will be there, 5 6s are 30, 5 zeros are 5 zeros are 5 zeros are. Again in 5 table, 5 1s are 5, 4 will be remaining, 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0. So what is the CP value? CP value is 19,200 rupees. So he bought for 19,200, he sold for 24,000. So this is the cost price for first bullock. Now we have to find for second bullock. So selling price is same, SP is same, that is 24,000, but he got the loss of 20%. So what is the CP value in terms of loss we have to find? So what is the formula? CP is equals to 100 into SP by 100 minus loss percentage, because he got loss there. So CP is equals to 100 into 24,000 by 100 minus 20. So CP is equals to, it will be 24,000,000 by 80. Okay. Now here it will be 0, 0 will get cancelled. Now 8 1s are, 8 3s are 24, 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0. So CP value is how much? 30,000. So he bought for 30,000 and he sold for 24,000 only. That means it is what? Loss. Okay. Now what is the total cost price for both the bullocks here? Cost price of 2 bullocks. Total cost price is how much? One is 19,200 plus second one is 30,000. So how much it will be? That will be 49,200. And what is the selling price here? Price of 2 bullocks will be how much? That is 24,000 plus 24,000. That will be how much? 48,000. That means here cost price is greater than selling price. Cost price is 49,100, 49,200, and the selling price is how much? 48,000. Here cost price is greater than selling price. That means what here? It will be a loss. Therefore, here CP is greater than SP. That means it will be what? Loss. So what is the loss formula? That is CP minus SP. So loss is equals to, what is the CP value? That is 49,200 minus 48,000 rupees. So loss value is how much here? 1,200 rupees. So loss he got it as 1,200. Now what we have to find? We have to find the loss percentage. How to find the loss percentage? Loss by CP into 100. So what is the loss value? 1,200 by CP is how much? 49,200 into 100. So here it will be cancelled. 0 0 0 0 will get cancelled. Now 1,200 divided by 492. So in 2 table I am cancelling. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 600s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 300s are. So you got it as 300 by 123. So if you do this division into 2 means how much? So it will be 2 times. 123 2s are 246. 54.0. So it can be taken as 4 times. So if you take 4 times, that will be 492. So what is the loss percentage here? 2.4%. So loss percentage is equals to 2.5, 2.4%. So once again see this. Selling price of 2 bullocks they have given as 24,000 each, and on first bullock he got the gain of 25% and second bullock he got the loss of 20%. Now what is the cost price of 2 bullocks we have to find. So first I am finding for first bullock. So CP, SP value they have given, gain value they have given. So we have to find the CP, that is in terms of gain. So what is the formula? 100 into SP by 100 plus gain. So if you solve, you got it as 19,200. Now second bullock, SP value is 24,000, loss is 20%. Now what we have to find? We have to find the CP value in terms of loss. So what is the formula? 100 into SP by 100 minus loss percentage. Okay, so if you solve this, you got it as 30,000. So what is the cost price of 2 bullocks here? 19,200 plus 30,000 will be equals to 49,200. And what is the selling price of 2 bullocks? 24,000 and 24,000. That will be how much? 48,000. In this case, cost price is greater than selling price, so it will be a loss. So loss is equals to CP minus SP. That is how much? 1200. So he got the loss of 1200 rupees. That 1200 rupees we have to convert into percentage. How to convert into percentage? Loss percentage is equals to loss by CP into 100. So if you do this, you will get it as 2.4%. In this, you have used 4 formulas. One is CP is equals to 100 into SP by 100 plus gain percentage. In this case, CP is equals to 100 into SP by 100 minus loss percentage. Here, loss is equals to CP minus SP and loss percentage is equals to L by CP into 100. So, this is our 5th solution. I hope you have understood this problem. Very important problem. So, see once again. Okay. So, and remaining problems will continue tomorrow. Thank you.